In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you fix Disney Plus error 1026. Let's get started. First, check the server status of Disney Plus. To do that, launch your preferred browser. Type in Disney Plus server status. Now head over to the website down detector. If you found out any outages over here, wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. If there are no issues, you can try other workarounds. So check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. If you are using Wi-Fi, give a fresh restart to your router. Next up, first close the app and relaunch it. Also, what you can do is log out of your account and try to log in back. Next, check for app update. Head over to App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app Disney Plus. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it. Lastly, if the solution didn't work out for you, completely delete Disney Plus app. For that, press and hold on the Disney Plus app. Select the option Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Disney Plus and install it. And that's it. With these fixes, your error 1026 will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.